Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can create a virtual computer using VirtualBox. I will explain what VirtualBox is. I am also in the COVID-19 lockdown period in my 6th standard summer holidays. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's understand what a virtual computer is. To say easily, it's a computer that is there but not there. Actually, we have the infrastructure, which is the hardware components like the motherboard, RAM, processor, etc. Then we have the host OS, which is the operating system that you're already running, which in my case is Windows 10. Next, we have the VirtualBox hypervisor, which is the software that you're using to run the guest OS. Last but not least, we have the guest OS, which could be any OS depending on your needs. I am going to use Linux Mint for this example. Why do you need a virtual machine? There are multiple reasons, but I will share you 2 reasons now. Number 1 is flexibility. A virtual machine can be deployed almost anywhere, regardless of the operating system and the configuration of its host. Number 2 is cost effectiveness. The use of virtual machine reduces the expenses related to hardware purchases and hardware maintenance costs. So, to download VirtualBox, all you have to do is search for VirtualBox in Google and download it from the VirtualBox website. Okay, now let's download Linux Mint. First, go to the Linux Mint website, that is linuxmint.com. Next, let's hover over download and click on Linux Mint, whatever version there is. Now, I'm going to download Linux Mint Cinnamon Edition. This page appears and I'm going to choose a mirror and the download starts. After downloading and installing VirtualBox, let's create our virtual computer. Click on New and name your virtual computer. I am going to name it Linux Mint. Select the machine folder and type is going to be Linux and version Ubuntu 64-bit because this operating system is based on Ubuntu. Click on Next. And now you want to allocate the memory that your virtual computer should use. Remember that it uses the physical RAM in your computer. Now let's click Next. Now let's create a virtual hard disk. Select Create. Let's click VDI and click Next. Dynamically allocated. We have to leave it as it is and click Next. And remember, it needs at least 15 GB. So I'm going to select 15 GB and click Create. And now it's ready. Now what we should do is go to Settings, and in General we can change the name, type and version. In System we can change the base memory, which is the RAM, which I have 24 GB in this gaming PC. You can see my assembling of this gaming PC in that corner. The processor number that you want your virtual computer to use, I am going to select 2 and acceleration. Next you have display. Now I always leave this on max and monitor count, scale factor, I leave it on default. Then storage, this is the important part. You have to click on this CD looking empty icon and click this button. Now click choose a disk file. Now click the ISO file that you downloaded from the and click on open. Now I leave everything in default and click on OK. Now let's click Start. Click Start Linux Mint. And now the desktop has appeared. We have successfully created a virtual computer. I am planning to learn and do a comprehensive video about Linux Mint, which you can expect in my channel later. Please share this with your kids so they can learn about virtual computers. Thank you for watching. Bye.